This chapter doesn't take a look at continents. Rather, it focuses on the issues on the sea. The main threat it mentioned is about sea surface temperature rising and ocean acidification. The ocean gets warmer because it has absorbed about 93% of the excess heat caused by greenhouse gas warming. So far, the ocean has increased about 0.7 degrees. There have been various research from different fields to prove the ocean warmings. While the oceans have largely absorbed the impact of human emission, the heat is altering the basic physical and chemical properties. On the other hand, the ocean is absorbing more carbon dioxide, and this could have detrimental impact on the entire ecosystems. One example is the United States West Coast. It's a vulnerable area of sea due to the Pacific Northwest. Pacific Northwest is one place that has heat anomaly. There is a resilient ridge of high pressure, which intensifies heat in the upper ocean known as the blob. According to Bob et al., SSTs are expected to rise about 2.7 degrees Celsius by 2100 in higher scenario, while 1.3 degrees Celsius in low scenario. The increasing sea surface temperature, as well as other factors such as rising sea levels, leads to decline of oxygen concentrations. The oxygen concentrations is forecasted to decrease by about 3.5 for high scenarios by 2100. Locally, ocean warming improves biological metabolic rates. Combining with intensified stratification, eutrophication-induced hypoxia can be exacerbated. The situation is likely to get worse in the future.